All right, so for question number 50, we can actually answer it from the graph here. We see that there's an asymptote at -1, so x cannot be -1, and they have a missing 3 at x equals 3. So we already know that the answer is J just based off of the picture, but just in case you don't have a picture in the future, we'll go ahead and go over how to do it mathematically from the function. So first thing we're going to need to do is factor the denominator. Since there is no coefficient on x, we can just use simple factoring, which we're going to find the number that multiplies together to become -3 and adds together to become -2, which is going to be -3 and 1. So we just put those x minus 3, x plus 1, and we're done with factoring. So the way that you find an asymptote is you factor it and set the factors equal to 0, and those are going to be your asymptotes. However, in this scenario, our asymptote cancels out with the numerator, and so it's not actually an asymptote, but we still can't have x equal 3, because if x equals 3, it's going to be 3 minus 3, which is 0, and we're going to have an undefined function. And so even though those cancel out, it still can't have x equal 3, and therefore we're not going to have an asymptote, but we are going to remove the answer 3 from our domain of possible x values. So with that, we have answer J.